Creating a YouTube channel is one of the easiest things you can do on the internet space in this big 2026. All right. So what you simply need to do is to have a functional email account as well as a YouTube application, which I believe it comes with every new phone. All right. So I purposely created a new email account so that I can show you how to create a new YouTube channel. But then once you already have an email that is working on a YouTube application, it means you already have a YouTube account, but then you not have a YouTube channel. So what you need to do now is to kindly watch this video closely till the end and make sure you don't skip any step so that you don't miss any of the important details. And also, if you're on the channel for the first time, kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification to get all our updates on time. Now you can see that there's no video here you can watch. So because it's a new account, what you just need to do is, if you search anything on YouTube, for example, how to cook, how to do anything, then YouTube is going to be recommending those videos for you. But then we are here to create channel. And the first step in creating the channel, as I said, is to have your email account as well as a YouTube account. Once that is done, then you are going to go down to you can see you here. That's where you're going to click. Now, once you click on you can see it says guide mode here. This is the name I used to create the email account. So whatever name you use to create your email account, it could be your personal name or anything, then it's the name that's going to display here. And what you need to do here is you're going to create a channel by clicking on create a channel here, just below the name you're seeing there. All right. Now, once you click on it, you can see how you will appear. You can see it has a place to input your picture, your name, as well as your handle. All right. Now we're going to start with the second one, which is the name. So the name you want to use for your channel, depending on the niche you are, is going to display here. So make sure that the name is unique so that people can easily search for it, and your channel is going to come on top of the YouTube algorithm. Okay. Now you can just decide to leave it like this. The other one is also to have your handle here. So you can just click on the pencil here to make your edits. All right. So once you click on it, it's going to also, before now, it should give you a name that is functional. But then you can also edit it, like, so that you can make your own unique. Make sure it is unique. So you can see this handle isn't available. So make sure that whichever name and handle you're going to use is peculiar to your niche and make it unique, so that once people search for it, it's going to be the first handle that is going to come on top. Okay. So once you've edited the handle as well, then you can input your picture as your profile picture, either from your gallery. By then you should have made the edits and everything is going to be okay here. So once that is done, then you're going to come down here and click on create channel. Okay. Now the channel has been created. All right. So from here now, you can go ahead and make all the necessary changes you need to make. Now, before now, you can see what was here is create a channel. But right now, what you have is view channel. That's because you've created a channel. Now you can view your channel and you can start creating content. You can start making edits. Okay, create content, edit. You can check also your analytics here, that is to see the performance of the videos you've posted. Okay, so what we are going to do now is to make edits. Okay, so let's edit our channel first because it is not complete. Now it says let's edit your channel. So the name, the handle, also the channel URL. So this is the link to your channel, this URL here. For example, you want to send your link for people to view your channel. So this is a URL you can copy from here. And now this is also very important. This is your description. Okay, so you describe what the channel is all about. For example, if you are doing a sports channel, then you can describe what the channel is meant for. Is it for highlights? Is it for match analysis? Is it for like so? And if you are also maybe your own is cooking, you can write it. This I'm cooking this. This is what I cook, and this is what you can expect from the channel. People that want to learn how to cook, this is your best place to be, and stuff like that. Okay, so then after that, you've made the edit. For example, click on the pencil sign. You can just type what you want to make there. You can see well, you are welcome to guide mode. This channel is for teaching on how to make money from YouTube content creation. Okay. All right. So once you've done this, then you're going to save. Now, once people come to your channel, you can see once they come to your channel, they can read what you are offering on the channel. And also you can also go back to your edit again and input your header as well. Use your header. Okay. And if you are using a mobile, you are going to have a different view of your header. So whatever you input here, you should make sure it should be very small so that it can display very well on either you're using mobile, you're using PC or your iPad or whatever you want to use. Okay. So once this is done, you can go ahead and start uploading your video. Make sure you have your profile picture as well as your header. Okay. Now let me just switch to my main channel to see and show you all we've done here in the other channel. Okay. Now on my main channel here, you can see that everything is fully displayed. Guide mode, make money online. So you can see the header there, very visible on mobile as well as on desktop. Then we can also click on the description. You can see here at guide mode, we make what seems difficult easy for you. Cryptocurrency, online money opportunities, tech tutorials, and others. You can also come here and drop your social media handle so that people can easily reach out to you for anything they want. Okay, so these is the basic things you need to create your YouTube channel, and from here you have to start uploading your videos to see how far it can go. All right, so this is it. And if you find the video useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll also be dropping a link in the video description for you to join our WhatsApp group for video tutorial. Okay, and if you still have any question, you can drop them in the comment section for us, as we'll be attending to you one after the other, and hope to see you in the next one.